Santorini based theme restaurant, and hopefully the completely we make which is just right there. बात नहीं, क्या हम मानने वाले हैं नहीं? क्या हम फिर से पूल में जाएंगे? Yes. Good morning, guys. So I just got up at सुबह मैं 6 बजे उठ गई थी and I love the lights in this villa. I just absolutely love them. मैं सुबह 6 बजे ही उठ गई थी. Then I decided to chill around. थोड़ा बैठी and सोचा कि what to do for my this day because I have to cover 2 places and क्या क्या पहनना है and what I want to create and थोड़ा काम का देखा अपना. Then the people who take care of this villa, they're very sweet, so I had a word with them. They're from Assam. तो मैं देख रही थी, उनसे बात कर रही थी कि कैसा होता है, how's this villa so pretty, how they have maintained it so nicely because I'll just show you guys around the plants here and they are amazing. They're so good, so well maintained. The villa is so clean, so well maintained every time. Even if there's no guest, they make sure they're coming in and they're taking care of the villa. So yeah, so pretty that anybody would want to buy it. Let me take you through the villa. So this is the kitchen. This is the swimming pool area and a sitting area with an open shower. And that's my room. This is the villa. I'm good. This is my living space. Let me show you guys my room. As मैं कल बोलती रही that I will give you a room tour, but मैं नहीं दे पाई because I was very rushed and then it was not possible for me. मैं बाहर जा रही थी and I was not able to film it. How peaceful it is and the chirping of the birds. And the most amazing part of my wardrobe is that this is my wardrobe and then you can literally slide and you will just think that this is it, but you can literally just slide this thing and there is my washroom. Ta-da! I have organized my entire wardrobe so that whatever I need, it's here. My everything. Then the shoes, the glasses, the bags, everything is here organized. There are 2 bedrooms upstairs and नीचे मेरा master bedroom है. Say hello. Say hi. That's Babita and that's Rupam. They take care of this entire beautiful there are 5 villas. They take care of all of it. Then ऊपर में 2 rooms हैं. थोड़ा messy है. This is my brother's room. मतलब सब अभी सो के उठे तो not messy, just the bed. This is very nice. Hello. So These guys are sitting having breakfast. इधर देखो सब लोग. Hi बोलो. Yes, thank you. So that's that, and here's one more bedroom. This is also very pretty. Amazingly pretty. Insanely pretty. बेड थोड़ा सा ख़राब है क्योंकि अभी सब सो के उठे हैं. There is this balcony that I love. So there's a direct view of the pool from here. So yeah, that's that. अगर मैं कहीं कुछ भूल गई होंगी तो I'm just gonna put it there. I showered and I got ready. I did my skincare. I'm going to get ready to make some content, and then we will go for a quick brunch. And then there are some plans for sundowners, and we'll go party somewhere. That's why. We'll have breakfast. So Rupam and Babita, they both prepared dosa, so we'll have that.
No babs, no babs.
हंसते हुए यार. Come on, let's do this. पर कोई बात नहीं, क्या हम मानने वाले हैं नहीं? क्या हम फिर से पूल में जाएंगे? Yes. So we are done with breakfast. I'll go and get ready, and I've switched to Osmo, and because my phone is getting overheated, and overheat हो जा रहा बार बार जितने बार मैं vlog कर रही हूँ. So I'll show you how you can go to my bedroom. You need to step here, and you need to go from here, and then you need to cross the living room, and then you can go to my bedroom. So we're shooting for the villa right now. Hi bhaiya. He has पूरा watermelon काट के इधर रखा हुआ because he'll eat the shoot. I am done with my shoot, and we are going back to the pool. I have shot some content, and I'm just preparing for. I was just breaking down my itinerary, and these guys are again in the pool. We are going to have lunch right now, and we were craving for Goan food for a very long time, and since मेरे भाई बहन का first time है, they want to have some authentic Goan food, so we are going to Awo's kitchen in Asagaon. We'll be a bit relaxed, and मैं बहुत टेस्टी खाना खाऊंगी. It's your voice. मैं भाई यही कहीं आएगा. इजुमी तक आ चुका है. रुको shit. भाई पकड़ो, मैं बह गई. We love the ambience. I've always heard that they serve amazing Goan food, so I can't wait to try it. This is a lobster, and you completely, we make this one. Okay. We eat a lobster, but that is of 7,000 right now, and we had already ordered chicken, mutton, squid and all. सो हम लोग कभी और लॉबस्टर खाएंगे, बट फॉर श्योर वी गोना हैव लॉबस्टर एंड गो फ्रॉम गोवा बिकॉज बहुत मन है. एंड आई लव स्क्विड और मैं जब से वापस आई हैव नॉट हैड दैट, सो आई विल हैव स्क्विड राइट नाउ. Brother being my brother will have chicken biryani, है ना भैया? चिकन बिरयानी भाई, चिकन बटर मसाला नान.
हर जगह जाके खाने का, सो दैट तुम बोल सको किधर का
इतना
best
नहीं
है.
खाना है मुझे चिकन. मैं जब भी गोवा आती हूँ मुझे ऐसा लगता है आई जस्ट स्टे हियर एंड आई नॉट गो एनीवेयर एल्स. एंड दिस फीलिंग स्टेज विथ मी फॉर लाइक मंथ्स आफ्टर आई गो बैक. We have ordered squid and this is fish fry and I just cannot wait to try this. Biryani, some prawn curry, Goan prawn curry we are having right now. This is what I come to Goa for, seafood and calamari. Very good. Squid has to be my favorite thing to eat. We are back. We are back from our lunch. Actually brunch हमने सुबह कुछ खाया नहीं था and the Rupam and Babita they made us amazing dosa that I showed you guys. So हम अभी आ चुके हैं. We'll change for the sundowner outfit and then we'll leave and then we have some party plans. फिर रात का सोच रहे हैं कि हम क्या करेंगे. Headed to a sundowner right now and we are probably late. We are going to Zeno for a collab and that's a very beautiful Greece Santorini based theme restaurant and hopefully the sun is still there. Beach mostly. ये रहा Zeno. This is Zeno. यहाँ पे रखो. Zeno by the beach for sundowner right now and there's a lovely view because the beach is just right there. This place is so pretty and this is right in front of the beach.
भैया वो अंदर आ जाएगी. नहीं नहीं नहीं, फिर वो भागेगी अगर तो कहाँ से पकड़ोगे?